So I've already written these out earlier in previous lessons, so I just have them copied on over here. So right there on the top, I just need to make sure that I'm pairing everything up correctly. So like this is what's going to be going in this top position. So sometimes if you do that, then everything else kind of falls in place. 0.11. And then over here, the cube number is the 2.0. And then the n is the 1.1. And your n might have been before mine. It's fine. It doesn't matter what order you multiply them in. It just matters that you make sure that this one is with the h2 because it's the one that's being cubed. And then for the SO3, it's over here. So 3.6. And then over in here, I've got, make sure I'm getting the right places because they're the same. They have the same exponent, so I can just kind of stick them in. And 0.15. So I'm going to go ahead and solve those two. So 3.6 squared divided by 2.0 raised to the 3. Now, hang on a second because I've got to have a parentheses in here, or it's going to go back to thinking I'm talking about numerator. So there's that number times my 1.1 number. So that gives me 1.47, or I've got, looks like kind of 2-ish sig figs, so I'm going to say that that's 1.5. And then my next one, I just realized that I've mixed two numbers in when I put it in here. So that happens. This is why you want to always double check yourself. And so I jumped to the higher equation, but I didn't jump to that very top number. So that top number should be 0.11. 0.11. There we go. Now this should get the right number. I thought that number looks weird. There we go. And so that gives me 0.0014. And then for my next one, 3.6, also squared, divided by 2.2. Now, this one, since I'm not dealing with parentheses or anything, I could also just use my divided by symbol twice. Do you see how I did that? Or I could have put a parentheses and a multiplying. Whichever way you do it, you should be getting 39 as your number.